Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, again another bang for activity 2, capital account, trading account, as well as profit and loss, guys. So let's begin. So guys, in activity 2, it says you are provided with the trial balance of debit traders on the 28th February, meaning always we stick within our timeline, and then it's February ends when February 2021, meaning it started when March 2020, then it March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, as well as January. Then it's our 12 months period. And then you are required prepare the following accounts in the general ledger, which is capital account, trading account, as well as our profit and loss. So guys, we have been provided with our answer sheet, and I already wrote the structure. So we have a capital account. It's classified as owner's equity, as an income account. It increases under credit side, while it will decrease under our debit side. And then guys, we have our opening balance for our capital account, as well as the drawings, and then we have our trading account. And then under our trading account, guys, this is our structure. This is our structure, whereby I already wrote sales. Under our credit side, we have sales, and then under the debit side, we have cost of sales. Cost of sales. Under the debit side, we have cost of sales, and then our gross profit. So guys, let's start with our trading account as always. So guys, we have our first step, which is the trial balance. So we have our first step, which is our trial balance at the end of our financial year 28 February. And then sales, it's how much? 2,701,440. I made a small bracket there, and we showed our sales. And then sales needs to subtract debtors allowance as always, then minus how much debtors allowance. And then how much is our debtors allowance, guys? Is 21,440 minus how much? 24,440. 24,440. And then guys, our total sales will be how much? 2,701,440,000 subtract 24,440, and then our total sales equals to 2,677,000. And then guys, let's complete our debit side, and then we have cost of sales. Cost of sales from our pre-adjustment trial balance, or our trial balance, it's how much? It's 1,675,000. And then guys, now we can what? We can close off our trading account by looking at the bigger side. So the bigger side is our credit side with how much? With 2,677,000, and then what you do on your right must happen in your what? In your left. 2,677,000, and then now we can complete our cross profit, and then we're going to say what? 2,677,000 subtract cost of sales of how much? 1,675,000, and then our gross profit will be 1,002,000. And then guys, let's double check if everything is correct. And then our sales is 2,701,440 minus 24,440, and then equals to equals to 2,677,000, and then we look for the bigger side. This is our bigger side. What you do on your right must happen on your left, and then 2,677,000 subtract our cost of sales, which is 1,675,000, and then we have 1,002,000 as our gross profit. And then now guys, we can take our gross profit and record it under our what? Profit and loss account. That's how much? 1,002,000. And then guys, now we can do what? We can complete our profit and loss account. Now we can be able to complete our what? Our profit and loss account. So under our profit and loss account guys, as you already know that under the credit side guys, we record all the what? The incomes. We record all the what? The incomes, and then there will be what? It's a credit side. And then same thing under your what? Under your debit side guys, we are going to record all the what? The expenses of the what? Of the business. And then guys, all the incomes and expenses of the business, we will do what? We'll focus under the what? The nominal section part. And then guys, all the incomes that we have discount received. There it's an income, it's a discount what? Received. And then we also have interest on what? On fixed deposit. So those are the two incomes that we have, and then the rest will be what? Our expenses, such as what? Discount allowed, insurance, rent expense, stationery, telephone, water and electricity, as well as wages. And I already what? Recorded them under my debit side. And then now guys, let's go to our step number 2, which is a adjustment. So guys, we see that we don't have step number 2 adjustment, so we are just going to copy and paste. We are going to take all this amount from our trial balance and record them under our profit and loss. So let's start with our credit side, which is incomes. So we have discount received of how much? 6,420, and then also our interest on fixed deposit of how much? 8,270. And then guys, we can continue with our expenses. We have discount allowed of how much? 5,960. We have 5,960. And then for insurance again we have 14,400. And then we have 14,400. And then as well as rent expense 50,400. And then it's 50,400. And then we have our stationery, which is how much? 2,424. 2,424. And then we also have our telephone of how much? 12,408. 12,408. 12,408. And then we also have water and electricity of 11,996,000. And then we also have our wages, which is how much? 464,000. And then guys, from this case now we can close off our profit and loss account by looking at the bigger side. So the bigger side, it's our credit side. And then let's calculate. 1,002,000 plus 6,420 plus 8,270 equals to how much? It's equals to 1,016,690. What you did on your right must happen on your on your left. 1,016,690. And then guys, now we need to balance our our debit side, which is an expense side. And then we are going to write our capital, which is our net profit. And then how much is the difference? 1,016,690 subtract 464,000, and then subtract 11,996,000, and then subtract 12,480, and then subtract 2,424, and then subtract 50,400, and then subtract 14,400, and then subtract 5,960, and then our difference, it's how much? It's 455 and 30,000. So, and then immediately, guys, from this point, as we have completed our profit and loss account, as what, and then we found that capital, the net profit, is 455,030. We are going to take it and we are going to record it to our capital account. We are going to record it to our what? Capital account. As what? As profit and loss. As profit or loss. And then how much is our profit and loss? The capital from our profit and loss, it's 455,000 and 8. And then the capital account opening balance from our from our trial balance, it's how much? It's 187,310. And then drawings under the what? The debit side. And then we have drawings under the debit side, and then it's how much? It's 108,000. And then we are going to write 108,000. And then now we can balance our capital account, and then we'll start looking at the bigger side. The bigger side is our credit side, and then whereby we're going to say 455,030 plus 187,310 equals to how much? Equals to 642,340. So guys, we have profit and loss because of this thing is an owner's equity. As we spoke before, that all owner's equities, they will show what? Profit or loss. And then what you did on your right must be made on your what? On your left. 6, 4, 2, 3, 40. And then we'll have the what? The difference, and it will be our what? Balance carried down. And then how much is our balance carried down? The difference, guys, we'll say 642,340 minus 108,000, and then the difference that we have, it's 534,340. And then guys, we are done with our capital account, trading account, as well as our profit and loss. So guys, stay tuned. Please subscribe, like my videos, our videos, and then press the notification button, and make sure that you study all the time. So guys, this thing, it's a bag.